Hey folks, so what we have here today is a Ranger AR3500. The owner of this particular radio says when the radio is turned on that you get a big power hum from the radio. I've tried powering up and never got the same results from it, but we're going to take another look at this radio today, the 3500, and see if we can't restore this thing a little bit and whatnot. One big thing I want to bring your attention to is this power plug. In any other CB radio that I've noticed that there's usually a coil between the positive and the board and the ground and the board. And this, the wiring here, looks as if it was changed. It's definitely not original. The power plug is held on with one screw, a rather coarse screw. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the 2-pin plug through to a 3-pin plug. And there should be plenty of room to do that. I'm going to cut it out basically with a nibbler tool, this guy here, and a flat head, or I should say a flat foil, and we're going to install one of these in the back of this radio, because what I got done, I've got a couple different power plugs here. I've got the regular Cobra type, I guess you want to call it, 3-pin, and that, which comes to my power supply here. So we're going to change the plug here to this. But anyways, enough talking. Let's just get it on. So I have the 2 coils added to the power cord. They're inside. The 3-pin, regular 3-pin plug is put in there. This old 2-pin is removed. So you have the 3-pin in there. They can take the standard Cobra type plug. And yeah, I turn it on, and she sees quite enough to me. So there's no hum in the radio as I can see. And I have run the outside antenna on the Antron. Oh well. I guess next thing try to run maybe it's never got a microphone with the radio. So it's possible that the original mic that was with this radio could be an issue with it. seems solid enough to me. Let's turn around and see what she does. Turn her off, turn her back on. Yeah. How do you the fire's on this side? A little bit warm, not like overly hot or anything. And of course you have the outputs. Could change out this capacitor here. Just in case, but I doubt that's the problem.